Hello and welcome to this collective healing meditation. With all that is going on globally, the mental and physical turmoil, stress, and illness, I was guided to channel this meditation for all of us to come together and help heal with our light. The power of the collective is incredible, and today Mother Earth, Gaia, needs us. Anybody can be practicing this meditation. Your intention is the most important. You could choose to lie down during this meditation as well. Make sure you're free of any distractions and are present with the intention of supporting the community. Gently close your eyes and shift your focus to your breath. As you inhale through your nose, visualize the light from beneath you, the earth entering in your body. Gaia provides us with oxygen and nourishes us. Hold your breath for a few counts, and as you do so, thank her for her support in all that there is. Exhale through your mouth, and as you do so, let go of all your worries, negative thoughts, and all that no longer serves you. Repeat this cycle for about 4 to 5 times. With every repetition, your body begins to relax, starting from your head all the way to your toes. As you begin to relax, you sink in, feeling lighter and at peace. Now, let's begin our journey to the collective. Visualize a hot air balloon in front of you and begin walking towards it. Step inside and let it rise. As you travel in it, you feel relaxed, at peace, slowly and gently drifting away. It slowly lands and you begin to step out. Look around you, notice your surroundings and everything you see. As you explore, you notice a white path in front of you. Begin walking that path. At the end of this path is a large open space, and you see a lot of people waiting for you. Walk towards them and join the circle. You can bring in your loved ones, family or friends, and anyone you wish to in this circle. We are here to join together with the intent of healing. As you hold hands with everyone, feel the light that passes through the circle. Imagine a purple light from above you entering your head through your crown chakra, passing through your entire body, beneath into the earth. This purple light connects everything above to everything below. Each person in the circle has this pillar of light, and the circle now radiates. Shift your focus to the center of the circle and bring in all those who need this protection and healing. Visualize the globe and every creature who can benefit from our support today. A blue crystalline lotus emerges at the center. It radiates and illuminates the entire circle, rising upwards and spreading. Let its light flow. See it spread around the circle and flow beyond until it fills the entire globe. Take some time now to maybe say a prayer that you'd wish to, or simply hold the intention of supporting Gaia and its beings. Let this light reach every soul who could benefit from our healing. The power of this collective spreads. Listen to any messages that may come forth. You may receive something for yourself, for your loved ones, or generally for the collective. If there's no message, simply enjoy this peace, blissful feeling of giving and receiving light and healing. Feel its power within your body and all around you. This light keeps us all protected, safe, and helps us deal with all the circumstances that we are today. It supports Gaia and nourishes every being today. Slowly bring back your awareness to the circle. Thank one another for being here. Thank yourself for holding this intention and showing up. Thank the universe and Gaia for all that there is. Hug one another if you feel like, and gently begin walking back. Counting backwards from 10, feeling peaceful, protected, safe, and content. Become aware of your surroundings and your breath once more. Slowly and gently open your eyes. I thank you for joining me today. Wishing you love and light.